All right, well, we're making more progress on this. This thing is fighting us till the end. So we got the new one, the old one out, and the new one half in. We're just finishing it up now. Comes with a new cover plate and everything. This is pretty cool. I got all this from late model restoration. I think I got the 2 new pair because it wasn't retracting. And even when I would feed it back up, it wouldn't stay tight. And if I slammed on the brakes, it wouldn't catch you right away. You'd go first a little bit, and then it would catch you. So I was like, it's time for a new one. And I was like, you know what? I'm here. Might as well do it. And then next we're gonna tackle the weather stripping because it leaks, and then I also hear a ton of wind when I'm driving on the parkway and stuff like that. So, but it's coming along.
Fucking redneck. You don't seem to take down point.
Taking off the piece that's up here so we can get ready to do the weather stripping. Since we're here. But they don't mention how much of a pain in the ass it is. Oh, it just slides right down. Yeah, no, it doesn't just slide right down. It's got.
And if your retaining clips ain't broke, definitely take those screws out. Is that what he said?
Yeah, he said. Well, they said if they're broken, just leave it.
Yeah, they're not.
Good. Oh, well then. Okay, well then. Yeah, but then we have to take the screws out so that we can get all that down.
Okay, so it's easier now. We can get to the weather stripping.
All right, so we did the passenger side one. We figure I bought them in the pair, so I'm like, why don't we do the driver side as well? So it came out pretty good. But that's part of it, which is good. At least we got that weather stripping done. Next is gonna be this one. This one's all cracked. This is probably typical when these cars sit, but got a nest in there on both sides. Looks like it was mice, so gonna vacuum it all out. Go from there. This is the passenger side. It's actually a little bit more compact. Pulled most of it out already. It was pretty filled in there. They built themselves a nice little home, these mice.
Corner ends. I mean, the fact that the wiper is bolted to it. Yeah. Well, the one wiper is. That one, I don't even know how the hell that's set up. We'll get there. We'll figure that out when we get
All right, so what we're doing is we're replacing the driver's side cowl. We're doing the whole thing, but right now we're just at the 2 outsides. I was able to get a cowl on one of those Facebook marketplaces that's for fox bodies only, and the guy who cut this did an awesome job. He overcut everything when he took it off the original car, so now we can just cut it to size basically and weld it in there. We already got the other side tacked in. We're gonna tack this side in next. Everything else looks to be okay. After that, we're gonna tackle this section down here. We're gonna cut that out. We've already got a piece of we're gonna replace down in there. 415 everything.
Now, knowing that I have a welder, we have a welder that I can fucking do shit. Yeah.
So we repaired the rust down there. 415 everything. Good.